Are you running your business, or is your business running you? Without a solid plan, it's easy to feel like you're just reacting to the chaos of the day-to-day. But what if there was a way to take back control, to grow with purpose and confidence? Introducing the Business Planning Masterclass, a one-day immersive event that helps you craft a powerful, actionable 5-year business plan. In just one day, you'll create a clear roadmap for growth, guided step by step to create your business plan and supported by ActionPLAN software. Imagine having a strategic plan that not only sets clear financial goals, but also drives marketing, sales, and operational excellence. During this hands-on workshop, you'll be part of a vibrant and engaging community of like-minded business owners. You'll receive expert guidance and practical tools to ensure that your business is on a steady path to growth and profitability. By the end of the day, you will have completed 75% of your 5-year business plan. No more guesswork, just an actionable strategy to help you move forward with purpose. This is your chance to move from firefighting to future building, to take control of your business journey, and to make growth intentional. Spots are limited, so don't miss this opportunity. Secure your spot today and start building the future of your business with confidence. Click the link to reserve your spot and take the first step toward transforming your business's future.